Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to duplicate pets in Grow a Garden. It's important to understand that many methods involve external scripts or in-game glitches, which carry risks like account bans. Always proceed with caution. First, ensure you are playing in a public server, as some duplication methods may not function in private ones. This initial setup is crucial for any attempt at pet duplication. 2.11. One common method involves using a script executor. You'll need to acquire a reliable executor to run external code within the game. Once you have an executor, find a working pet spawner script from a reputable source. After copying the script, execute it in Grow a Garden. This typically allows you to instantly spawn any pet you desire, including rare ones, and even duplicate existing pets. 10, 13, 15. An alternative, non-script method involves an in-game glitch. This often requires using multiple accounts to trade pets or exploiting a selling mechanic where pets have a small chance, around 2.91%, to return as an egg. For this method, some players suggest using pets like the mimic octopus or seal. Having at least 5 seals and 2 raccoons in your garden can increase your chances of success. 3.6. When attempting pet duplication, it's vital to remember the risks. Using unofficial scripts can result in a permanent ban from the game, so proceed with extreme caution. Always ensure you have ample inventory space for any pets you duplicate. Be wary of fake scripts, as they can potentially compromise your account or device. It is crucial to verify the legitimacy of any script and its source before attempting to use it. 3.12.14.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.